Proptivity is a relatively new Swedish-based company that was founded to serve the needs of in-building cellular coverage. It came about because as cellular technology progresses, it's using higher and higher radio spectrum, which means it's harder to get through the outside of a building so that it can be enjoyed by the subscribers in a building. Proptivity, when it chose to expand in the UK, did so because the UK is probably 4 times the size of any other European market. The challenge to enter the UK was reaching agreement with the mobile network operators, because we use their radio spectrum to provide coverage. To be able to fully exploit the marketplace, we had to come up with a solution that was able to be quickly scaled in order to serve all of the needs of the potential customers. As it evolves from 2G to 3G to 4G to 5G, it's using a slightly different method of timing. In the latest technology, it's now using time as the division between transmitting and receiving. That means that time is very valuable to synchronize between when a radio is transmitting and when it should be receiving. This has created a much higher requirement for far more accurate time, which takes us into precision time protocol. The challenge within commercial properties generally is that not every company has access to the rooftop. If you are, for example, a company on the second floor of perhaps a 15-story building, it's not so easy to have access to the rooftop to be able to add a receiver to receive the satellite signal.
Resilient timing is increasingly important because many sectors in the UK and across the world, like finance, telecoms, broadcast, the energy sector, rely on GNSS-based time as a primary reference for their own timing needs, but also to deliver services to their customers. Strengthening timing resilience through a diversity of sources, therefore, is critical to ensure that service continuity. At the same time, we offer access to that timescale through a variety of services, and NPL Time is one such service that is delivered entirely over fiber optic links, and therefore offers a resilient, assured, and independent timing service to GNSS-based time. Telehouse is one of NPL's delivery partners for the NPL Time service. Through Telehouse, users can access an alternative timing signal to GNSS-based time that is resilient, independent, and traceable to UTC NPL. As a data center operator, Telehouse is very familiar with the concept of redundancy. Critical components for the operation of a data center, like power, cooling, networking, can and will fail. Redundancy removes, therefore, single points of failure and ensures service continuity. Telehouse is leading the way in that it has applied the same principle to time.
The benefit of the service provided by Telehouse has enabled us to be thoroughly tested by the UK national networks and allows us to deliver a service over the telecommunications circuit that provides accurate clocking, which enables the network subscribers to use a high-quality 5G service to ensure that their voice calls and their data use are as good as they will receive anywhere in the country.
Resilient timing enables businesses to operate effectively, efficiently, and deliver service continuity to their customers. At the same time, it has the potential to act as a catalyst for innovation and economic growth, because it enables businesses to do things differently, to test business models, and therefore strengthen competitiveness in an economy that is increasingly data-driven. One example of doing things differently is what Proptivity and Telehouse have done by using terrestrial signals to deliver 5G technology within challenging commercial environments in London.